interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
Hey, wanted to let you know about a road tour we have coming up you may have heard about called Ramp Up. We're visiting 16 different cities like Indianapolis. First date is June 13th in Chicago, then we're going to be headed to Milwaukee, then we're going to Minneapolis, Omaha, Kansas City, and St. Louis. Essentially what Ramp Up is focused on professional development for baristas. So it's going to be a couple different classes. One of them will be a basic tech class for espresso. So if you're interested in becoming a tech, you just want to learn more about what's happening inside an espresso machine, we'll cover basic tech. And we'll also have an espresso theory class, and we'll really dig into what's happening during an extraction. Finally, we're going to end the event with a competition called the Technical Throwdown. It's going to be a dial-in challenge. We're going to have technical pours and difficulty pours. So stay tuned for some more information. Visit ranciliospecialtyna.com to learn more about the Technical Throwdown, and stay tuned for some more updates about the events.